Hey guys, it's been a minute, but welcome back to another video. Basically in this project today, I've gone ahead and replaced the oil cooler. The ports here and up there were rusted through completely and leaking coolant, causing the engine to overheat. So with that being said, this video is not really about this. It's about just performing a basic oil change on a 4-liter. All right, so to find your drain plug, basically that's your driver's side tire. You follow that. There's your front differential. There's your oil pan. And that drain plug bolt is 16 millimeter. Drain all the oil out, and then once it's finished up draining, go ahead and put it back in there and just snug it up. I've already done that. There's the old oil cooler in there. So you're gonna wanna start with the oil filter. FL820S is what you need. We'll crack this open. Got your nice brand new filter. Motorcraft 5W30 synthetic blend or your oil of choosing. I just try to stick to what the manual says. Put a nice little ring of oil around the seal here. And what I'm going to do now is grab a funnel and pour a little oil down in here. Not a lot. Just a bit. The 4-liter takes exactly 5 quarts for an oil change. So this guy you're going to screw in to the threaded part right there. There we go. So there's your oil cooler. So we'll screw that on. Okay, so we come up top here in 5 quarts. In she goes. All right, last thing you'll do is come in here and reset the oil engine life. So basically what we'll do is we'll hit setup and we'll keep hitting setup until we get to the oil life screen. I just changed the oil about a couple 100 miles ago. So we're good to go there, but if you do need to reset it, it'll be at like 40, 30%, 20%, 10%. There's 100. And you just keep hitting the reset button until you get back to 100. So we're good to go there. Oil life is reset and oil change is complete. It's pretty simple. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll answer them in the comments. Thanks for watching.